Hey guys and girls, I'm Julia with the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. Pinky Promise Wigs and I welcome you to this wig review of the Trezor California Beach Waves wig. This new 2021 style is 22 inches long and full of beautiful flowing layers and beachy waves that fall past the shoulders. This gorgeous style has a single layer monofilament top and a beautiful temple to temple lace front. Now, many of my subscribers know my favorite all-time long wig is the Trezor Camille. I love Camille. I've worn it for years. California Beach Waves may take Camille's place because this is a gorgeous style that I absolutely love. I almost love the color as much as I do the style. This color is 1426R10, which is a strawberry blonde and golden blonde highlight blend with number 10 medium roots. But we'll get into the color more later in the video. Well, let's get started taking a look at this gorgeous new Trezor style. California Beach Waves cap features a beautifully done temple to temple sheer lace front that's 100% hand tied. The single layer monofilament top allows unlimited parting options. On the sides, you have velour adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the extended velour nape are Velcro adjustable straps, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. California Beach Waves wig cap is average. It fits a head measuring 21.5 inches in circumference. Now my head size is 22 inches in circumference, and this size fits me well right out of the box without tightening the adjustable straps. Now if your head is larger than a 22-inch circumference, I don't think you will be able to wear this style comfortably. However, if you're a petite or petite average, I think you can wear this style no problem. The fiber is synthetic. It's called Stylable Effortless Fiber by Trezor. It is heat friendly up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can add different wave patterns, curls, straighten the style, whatever your heart desires. I love that it feels very smooth and silky to the touch, just like human hair, and there's no shine, which is fantastic. The lace front on this style is beautifully done. Take a look at that. It is simply gorgeous and looks like a natural hairline. I'm very pleased with the parting space, which looks as if the hair is growing right out of your scalp. Now, this 100% hand-tied single layer monofilament top means that you have unlimited parting options. Here, we have this wig parted to the left. Let's part it down the center to see what it will look like. Very nice. You could also wear this style with the bangs combed forward or off to either side. Let's take a look at the parting space on the right. Look how quick and easy the fiber is to work with. It's just beautiful. Let's take a look at this style from all sides. about this gorgeous color, 1426 R10. This is a strawberry blonde, which is the 26, highlighted in the 14, which is a golden blonde, and there are number 10 medium brown roots. I love this color. I actually have the Tresilor feathered bob in this color as well. Well, let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. You do have many styling options with California beach waves. This style looks very natural and pretty, tucked behind the ear. You can also pull this style to one side. And of course, you could, with this much length, put this style into a ponytail. Very pretty. You can take a claw clip and secure the sides back for a very pretty, feminine, partial updo. Or you can pull back the length and give it a twist and place it in a very quick updo for those hot summer days. I am in love with the bangs, which are very natural looking and wispy, but you do have a lace front. So if you wanted to secure the fringe back with a barrette or with a headband, you certainly can do that. Now, if you have any questions about this style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now, if you wear California beach waves, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful style, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. You know, I have received wigs from Pinky Promise for a couple of years now. I'm very pleased with the customer service, which is why I recommend them. Now, when you get to their website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.